अच्छा, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने एपी अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन किए थे और उसका कौन सा क्वेश्चन 5.1 एक्सरसाइज का 4th क्वेश्चन का कुछ पार्ट्स कर दिए थे, बाकी पार्ट्स आज करेंगे। लेकिन थोड़ा अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन व्हाट इट इज दैट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू what is AP, arithmetic progression. In short, what we say AP. So AP is a list of numbers, in which each number, each terms, these numbers are known as terms, each term is obtained by adding a fixed number. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding what term except the first term. That means what is the fixed number means this is the AP, how we will say. So the difference between the 6 minus 3 is 3. That fixed number should be added to the previous number. 6 is previous number 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. To get this again you add 3, so you will get 9. So you will get next, you will proceeding numbers you will get it. To get the preceding number you add that difference, that is known as what? Common difference. In short, what we say CD. Then so fixed number is known as what? CD, common difference. Common difference can be positive, common difference can be negative, common difference can be 0 also. So now we are same thing. Now you know the formulas. First the general formula is what? To get the second term, what you add? A plus D. 1D you will add it. Here you will add 1D, you will get it. To get the third term you add 2D. To get fourth term you add 3D, isn't it? So the number of terms, if it is 4, then you will do minus 1, that is 3D. A will remain constant, A plus 3D, A plus 2D, like that. So another formula what we are going to, AN means that is the nth term. The last term is known as what? Nth term. Here nth term is 36. Nth term equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This formula, depending on this formula we are going to solve a lot of questions, isn't it? Now just please open your textbook NCERT, the 4th question, 5.1 exercise, 4th question. So which part? That is 13th part, 13th part, 4th question, 13th part. What is that? Root 3, root 6, root 9 and root 12 and dash is given. So we have to find whether it is an AP or not. So what you will do, the common difference should be if it is equal, then you say it is an AP. Now what is our A1? A1 is root 3 and A2 is root 6. So 6 is not the square of any number, so it will remain as it is. Then A3 is root 9. Root 9 is the square of 3, isn't it? 3 square, that equals to 3. Okay. So now these 3 we got it. Now we shall find the common difference. So A2 minus A1 and A3 minus A2. These two are the what common difference? Whether let's see A2 minus A1. Let's see what is our A2. A2 is root 6 minus root 3. So here is what? Root 6 and root 3. We cannot subtract because they are not like algebra, they are not like terms. You might have done in 9th class how to solve it. These two cannot be solved. Let us see x and x minus y, if it is there, can you solve it? X is one type of term, they are unlike terms, you cannot solve it. So similarly here root 6 and root 3 are unlike terms, so we cannot solve it, it will remain as it is, root 6 and root 3. Then next one is what? Common difference is what? A3 minus A2. A3 is what? 3 minus, what is that? A2 is root 6. Again this is also same, this is rational number and this is irreal. The difference between the two rational number cannot be that will be irrational number only, you cannot solve it. Even it is plus, yeah, even if it is minus, you cannot solve it unless until it is multiplication. 3 into root 6, then we can do 3 root 6, isn't it? Multiplication we can do it, division we can do it, but in this case plus and minus, the irrational number cannot be added if they are not like terms. Okay, now what is happening? So 8 here, the here common difference is not same, isn't it? That means A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore, it is not an AP when it is not a arithmetic progression. So, you need not go further. Okay. In sum, what is saying, squaring 1 square, then 3 square, 5 square and 7 square dash dash dash. Now let's see, it is square. So here what you will do, what is 1 square? 1 square equals to 1 into 1 is 1. 3 ka square, 3 into 3 is 9, है ना? 3 into 3 is 9. So 5 square is 5 into 5 is 25. So 7 square, that is 7 into 7 is 7 sevens are 49. What is our A1? A1 is 1, A2 is 9, A3 is 25, A4 is 49. Okay. Now these are the terms we got. Now what we shall do, let's see whether it is an AP or नहीं, है ना? AP है या नहीं वो देखना है. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, A2 माइनस A1 निकालेंगे, उसके बाद A3 माइनस A2 निकालेंगे. अगर दोनों सेम होगा तो वो AP कहेंगे, फिर उसके बाद बाकी टर्म्स निकालेंगे. अगर नहीं हुआ तो वही रोक देंगे. तो नाउ व्हाट वी शैल सी the common difference, that is the difference between A2 minus A1 we shall find out first. Then second one we shall find A3 minus A2. Let's see A2 minus A. What is our A2? A2 is 9 and A1 is 1. What is the difference? Difference is 8. Similarly, here another one is what? A3 minus A2. A3 is what? 25. 25 minus A2 is 9. So 25, 15 minus 9 is 6, 16. You see common difference is not same. Here A2 minus A1 are 8 and A3 minus A2 is 16. अब ये दोनों common difference क्या है? सेम नहीं है. A2 माइनस A1 8 आया, A3 माइनस A2 16 आया. सो ये दोनों कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं है. देयरफॉर हम क्या करेंगे, दे आर not an AP. Okay, since common difference is not same, therefore it is not an AP. कॉमन डिफरेंस यहाँ ऐसे भी कर सकते हो, या हियर यू कैन राइट A2 माइनस A1 इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू A3 माइनस A2. लाइक दिस ऑल्सो यू कैन राइट एंड दिस इज द आंसर. आप ऐसा ये लिखने के बाद ये लिख सकते हो, नहीं तो सिंस कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट सेम, तो इसलिए ये AP नहीं ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो. बोथ वे यू कैन राइट इट. 15th sum. Okay, now it is 1 square, then 5 square and 7 square, then 73 dash dash dash. Okay, now let's see what is our 1 square, what is our 5 square, what is our 7 square. That first we should find. 1 का स्क्वायर क्या है, 1 है. 5 का स्क्वायर क्या है, 5 into 5, 5 5 are 25 हो गया. और 7 का क्या, 7 7 are 49. फिर ये किसी का स्क्वायर है 73, ऐसा ही रख दे. सो वी शैल सी 1. व्हाट इज द 1 स्क्वायर, 1 into 1 is 1. 5 स्क्वायर, 5 into 5 is 25. 7 स्क्वायर, 7 into 7, 7 7s are 49. And this is not the square, only 73. So we wrote down that 73. So dash dash. Let's see, this is our A1, then A2 is 25 and A3 is 49. 9 and A4 is 73. Now let's see the common difference. Common difference is what? A2 minus A1. अभी देखेंगे A1 A2 A3 सा A4 लिख लिया, फिर उसके बाद कॉमन डिफरेंस इनका निकालेंगे, सेम है या नहीं. तो A2 माइनस A1 निकले. A2 हमारा क्या है? 25. A2 इज आवर्स 25. A1 इज 1. A2 हमारा 25, A1 1 है. तो ये आ गया 25 माइनस 1 इज 24 आ गया. ठीक है. फिर सेकंड वाला A3 तब जाकर कंफर्म होंगे. A3 माइनस A2. After getting only we will confirm whether it is an AP or not, है ना. So now A3 is what? This is 49 minus 25. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 24. Now you see दोनों same है. 24 common difference is same. Here what you will write? Here common difference is same. What? A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore it is an AP. अब लिख दिया. ये कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम नहीं है. A2 माइनस A1 क्या है? सेम. सॉरी, A2 माइनस A, ये कॉमन डिफरेंस सेम है. A2 माइनस A1 इक्वल्स टू A3 माइनस A2 आया है, क्योंकि क्या 24 आया. देयरफॉर इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? AP कहेंगे. अब AP है तो नेक्स्ट टर्म्स निकालेंगे. अब कितने टर्म्स दिया? 4 टर्म्स दिया. इसमें तुम 24, इफ यू ऐड 73 प्लस 24 you will get A5 next term. Like that also you can do. If it is a 1 mark question, then you add it. 73 plus 24, 7 and 9 है ना. So 24, you add this number, again next number, again you add like that. 7, then this is the 5th number, A5, then 7, 11, 102, 101, that is A6, like that it will come. But if it is a 2 mark sum या 3 mark sum, we have to find out. A5 equals to, you know, AA, write down. Then to get how many D's? 5 minus 1 is 4 D's. So now A is what? A is 1. 1 plus 4, D is 24. 4 4s are 16, 1 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 9 1. So that equals to 97. This is our A5. Then next comes what? A6. A plus 5D. क्योंकि A से A6 है, 6 से 1 करने से कितना D आएगा. 6 minus 1 is 5D. So our A is constant 1, then 5. What is our D? D is 24. 1 plus 5 4s are 20, 0 2 5 2s are 10, 11 12. So this is 121. Here what is come? 97. Okay. This is 7 plus 4 is 11, 1, 9 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 121. Okay. Now this is our 6th term. Then to get the 7th term, to get the A7 equals to A plus 7 minus कितने D होगा? 7 minus 1 is 6 D's हो गया. So A that equals to A is 1, 6 into 24. How many terms? 5 6 7. Okay. So A 1 plus 6 4s are 24, 4 2 6 2s are 12, 12 2 13 14. That is 145. If you add here 24, you see next 5 and 4 and 1, 145 has come, isn't it? So this way also you can get it. This is quick method. If it 1 mark or something time is running out, then you can finish it. But this is the way you will do it. Next 3 terms. Terms are, what is that? First is A5 is 97, then 121, then 145 is the answer. Okay. Right. Now let's go for the 5.2. 0.2, it depends on same question, same formula it is depending. Same formula, what is that? How to get the common difference? This is 5.2. Common difference, how to get common difference, that you know, A2 minus a1. Just how to get the nth term or n? A plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So that you can do it. So now another is what? Here one more formula is introducing. Find here suppose n is 10, that means 10th. 10 number of terms how many? 10. So to find the nth term, that means a, suppose you see 3, 6, 9, like that it is given. Find the 10th term. This is, let us say, 36. Find the 10th term. So what you will do? A10, that is a is what? 3 plus n is how many? 10 minus 1. What is our d? 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So here 3 plus 9 into 3. So 9 3s are 3 plus 9 3s are 27. That is 30. So our nth term, that 10th term is 30, isn't it? So if it is like this, okay, suppose he will say, when you are going from like this, from 3 to 6, 9, as in increasing order you are going, from back if you are coming, that is what? From the last you find the 10th term, if he says. From the last you find the 10th term. From the last. So let us say this is 3, 36 is the our last nth term. From nth term, from 36 you find the last term. What you will do? A nth term, from the, here you will write from the last. Okay, last. Nth from the last, that is that becomes ours A, because 36, before 36 what is there? After next is what? Third term is what? Then fourth term is what? Fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term, like that it will come. So our first term here it becomes 36. So now A minus n minus 1 into d. Here our actual original formula A plus n minus 1 into d, only plus wala minus में change होगा, only plus will change to minus. When it is from the last, if he says, you will do it. So our A is what? 36 minus n is what? From the last, find the 10th term, he said. A10 minus 1, d is what? 3. Then 36 minus 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. 36 minus 27. So how much is coming? 36 minus 27. So here 9, है ना? 9, 16, 16 minus 7 is 9, 9, 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, then here 9 is coming, that is 9. So our, what is that? What is the nth term is what? That is 10th term is what? 9. What you will do? These are numbers, this is 1, 2 from the end, that is 36 our first term. So that's why 36 minus 29. So 10th term will be 9. That is the 10th term. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th. You got it? 10th term is what? 9. The 10th term is 9. Okay. Now what he, from the last means from the end we find the 10th term, he says. So what we did, we put the formula, what our general formula is A plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? So but from the end when you say that A plus, this plus will become minus. Okay, that much only you remember. So A minus n minus 1 into d. So our what is A will be what? From the end, that from there you will start, that is our 36 minus how many terms? 10 terms, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 into 3, d is 3, 9 3 is 27 if you subtracted 9. So our from the end, you will write what? From the end, the 10th term is what? 9. This is the answer. Okay. So this way you will do it. So just to prove it, what I did, I wrote, because this is very small, that's why from 3 to 36 I have written, then 3 to 3, 6, 9 like that I have written, and from there I shall, let us count whether the 10th term will be 9 or not. So this one will be considered the term 1, 33 will be term 2, and 30, that is the third term, this is fourth term, and this one will the fifth term, this is the sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, 10th term. 10th term what is coming? 9. So that's why here without, if big numbers are there, without how long you will go on writing, then you will find from back side where it is what. So it is very difficult, that's why you can find out with this formula. Okay, this formula will also come. Four terms, A, common difference, and find the n, find the an, these four things to find out. So he will give any 3 and you have to find one more, the missing one you have to find it out. Now in first question 5.2, first question is what he is saying. He has given A is 7, then D is 3, D equals to 3 and n equals to 8, and asking an equals to how much. He has given a blank over here. Okay, so now dash is there. So now let us see. So what n he has given, nth term he is asking. So nth term, first duty to find out the common difference. So common difference equals to a2 minus a1. a2 is what? Common difference already he has given, isn't it? D he has given, therefore you need not take it out, right? Now let's say this formula you put an equals to a plus, where it is only ap is given, first duty to find out a2 minus a1 difference you should find out. But here already he has given, he said I am going to give you difference, then you find nth term. Okay, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So our a is 7, putting the values of a and d, n is how much? 8, 8 minus 1, d is 3, that equals to 7 plus 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 into 3, that 7 plus 7 3s are 21, that equals to 28. So our here where he has given, fill up the blanks, here you will write what? 28. Yeah, nth term a n equals to 28, right? Okay, over a equals to minus 18, then n is 10 and nth term is 0. What is missing here? A is there, n is there, nth term is there, common difference is what is there, that we have to find out. Here d equals to dash he is given, second column. So same formula, because we need not take out common difference because he is asking, but a2 is need not to take it out. an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is our an? an is 0. Whatever he says, जो देगा वही लिखना है. अगर 0 दिया तो 0, घोड़ा दिया तो घोड़ा, हाथी दिया तो हाथी, जो दिया वो लिख देना. हमको कुछ नहीं मालूम भाई, आप जो दिए वो डाल दो, हम निकाल लेंगे. ठीक है, that here is given 0. So what is our a? a is minus 18 plus n is what? 10, 10 minus 1. What is our d? d we don't know. That is the thing we have to find out. d निकालना है. तो अब इसको हम 0 को इधर से ले आए. 18, now this minus 18, when you bring this is 18, then 10 minus 1 into d. This is 18 equals to 9d. That means 9d equals to 18. Now d equals to 18. So these two between what? Multiplication is there. When this comes over here, so you divide it, that is 2. What is our d? Common difference is d equals to 2. जहाँ dash हुआ वहाँ 2 डाल दोगे. Right? हो गया बेटा? हो गया? Now next go for the second. This is second is over. Now let's go for the third part. Third part he has given a is dash, then d equals to minus 3, then n equals to 18, then an equals to minus 5. Okay, now a he has not given. Okay, an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. देखा अभी कैसा है, मतलब ये चारों चीज में एक 3 चीज दे देता है, चौथा चीज पूछा. हमारा वो यही फॉर्मूला डाल दे के हम निकालते हैं. यू सी इन दिस सम व्हाट ही इज गिविंग 3 things and he is asking any one, fourth one he is asking, but if whatever you want to take out, you have to take out depending on this formula, है ना. so अब क्या करेंगे, an क्या है -5. what is our an? -5. and what is a? we don't know. a plus n is what? 18 minus 1, d is -3. that is -5 equals to a plus 17 into -3, right? now this one will become -5 equals to a plus 7 plus into minus is minus, this is 51. 17 3s are 3 7s are 21, 1 2 3 1s are 3 3 2 5 51. so now -5 equals to a plus into minus is minus. always bracket before if any sign is there. our first duty is to multiply the sign, then multiply with the number. if variable is there, then with variable you have to multiply. here sign is there, plus into minus minus, then number what is there? 1 है ना, 1 5 sir 5, 51 is 51 1 sir. so this is, so a minus 51 equals to -5. now a equals to -5, when this one will come, minus will become plus. a minus 51 इक्वल्स टू -5 है, और a लाना है तो -51 को दूसरे साइड पे ले जाना. तब क्या होगा, ये माइनस वाला क्या हो जाएगा, हमेशा साइन को देखना है बेटा. जब इक्वल का दूसरे तरफ जब जाएगा, ये क्या है, इनका रिलेशन क्या है, प्लस माइनस है या डिवीजन है या मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. तो अगर उसी है तो उसका उल्टा करना, प्लस हो तो माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस हो तो प्लस हो जाएगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन रहेगा तो डिवीजन हो जाएगा, डिवीजन अगर हो तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा. सो व्हेन यू आर when equating the this thing, what we have to see, equal other side, when the number will go or whatever thing will go, the sign will change. here what, -51 is there, it goes to equals other side. when it goes, this -51 will become 51. if minus is there, it becomes plus. if it is plus is there, it becomes minus. if multiplication is there, then it will be divided. if here division is there, when other side it goes equal, other side when it goes, it becomes division will become multiplication. so always the opposite will be there. so a equals to now 51 minus 5. 11 minus 5 is 6. this is positive, isn't it? so 46. a is our 46. so answer is what, a equals to 46, right? now next sum is next is mine. a is given. oh okay, a is what, 50. a equals to minus 18.9. d equals to 2.5. then n is equals to dash, then nth term is equals to 3.6. now what do you have to find out here? here we have to find n. so write the same formula. a nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. okay, now what is our nth term? 3.6. let's see, minus 3.6 or positive 3, positive 3.6. 3.6 equals to a is minus 18.9 plus n is what, n he is not given. so what is our d? d is 2.5. okay, now bring this side. 3.6 minus, when comes to equal other side, what the sign will change, minus will become plus. अभी क्या है, साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. इक्वल उस तरफ को -18 था, 18.9 था, इधर को इक्वल इस तरफ को आएगा तो माइनस वाला प्लस हो गया, 18.9 होगा. अभी ये रह गया क्या है, n minus 1 into 2.5. ठीक है, अब इसको ऐड करेंगे. 18.9 से 3.6 को ऐड करेंगे ना, 6 15 1 22.5. equals to n minus 1 into 2.5. n minus 1 into 2.5 is equals to 22.5. Then n minus 1 equals to 22.5. Write down. Now between these two, what is there? The multiplication sign is there. So here it will become 2 point division. So now this decimal gone. So 5 5s are 5 4s are 5 5s are 5 9s are. So n minus 1 equals to 9. N equals to 9. Again minus will become plus. 9 plus 1. N equals to 10. What is our n? N is 10. Okay. Now you got it. You understood. Now then the first question, fifth sum. That is the last sum. Last. So फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का 5.2 का पहला क्वेश्चन का फिफ्थ पार्ट, वही उसके बाद सेकंड क्वेश्चन शुरू होगा. इसमें दिया क्या है? ए दिया 3.5, डी दिया 0 और एन दिया 105. फिर अब पूछ रहा है ए एन इक्वल्स टू क्या है. ठीक है, दिस इज एन, राइट. ठीक है. नाउ ए डी एन इज गिवन, ए एन इज, he is asking a n. Now what we shall do? Same formula. So a n equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. हमारा यही फॉर्मूला है. अभी तक तो यही तो फॉर्मूला सीख रहे हैं. तो अभी a n क्या है हमारा पता नहीं, वो दिया नहीं. a n we don't know, that's why we will not write. a is what? 3.5 plus n क्या है? n is 105 minus 1. d क्या है? 0. Then this is 3.5 plus 15 minus 105 minus 1 equals to 104 into d. So this equals to 3.5 plus 0 into something is 0. 0 के साथ कुछ भी मल्टीप्लाई करो, 0 ही, जितना बड़ा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करो 0 ही है. अगर 0 के से whatever the big number you multiply with 0, then that will come 0. Suppose so many numbers are there, 73, 40, 65, 49 into 3, 7, 3, 2, 5, 8, 9 into 0 into 5 into 9 2s 1 0 into 1 0 5, like this number. What is the answer? You tell me. So you will say all are multiplication. There is no plus minus, nothing. So did not worry. Then oh my God, how to do such a big sum? How to multiply? It will take ages. Then you will say, oh, just you see, here is our 0. That means 0 into all these numbers are what? 0 only. The answer will come 0 only. That's why anything you multiply, the answer will be 0. So here is what? 104 into 0 is 0. That equals to 3.5. So what is our nth term? Nth term is 3.5. That means क्या है? कॉमन डिफरेंस अगर 0 हुआ, जितना भी टर्म्स हो, अभी 3.5 है, सेकेंड टर्म के लाने के लिए क्या 3.5 से 0 ऐड कर दो, 3.5 ही आएगा. थर्ड टर्म में 0 ऐड कर दो, यही आएगा. फोर्थ टर्म ऐसा होकर nth टर्म भी 3.5 ही आएगा, है ना. So because the common difference is 0, so a and a n, whatever the term may be, the same. Okay, right. So we shall do 5.2 second question in the next class, and if you have any doubt, please let me know.